Hi, my name is Aaron Sykes. I am the chief pilot for GrandSKY, located at the Grand Forks Air Force Base in North Dakota. We fly a variety of different aircraft up here at GrandSKY. One of the interesting aircraft that we fly is the Meteodrone. The Meteodrone itself collects data on wind speed, temperature, and dew point. This is a direct replacement for weather balloons. This information is used by GrandSKY tenants to make go or no-go decisions and give them winds aloft information that helps them with their flight planning processes. The drone itself has authorizations to fly up to 9,000 feet, can fly in known icing conditions, and can fly year-round, providing this information to GrandSKY tenants. GrandSKY is actually the first civilian operator of the Meteomatic system in the entirety of the United States. We have close working relationships with NOAA and University of North Dakota, who's using this information to create better weather data models to help a wide variety of industries here in North Dakota.